Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today I want to share my first project of my brand new series that you see on my channel, which is called #AZ Ephemera 26. So what we're gonna do once a week, we're gonna do an ephemera idea following a letter of the alphabet. So today is letter A, of course, and the theme is altered paperclip. Okay, so I made these 3 paper clips, 3 different orientations. So this one is landscape, these 2 are portrait, so goes on the front. Okay, love them. If you're familiar with my channel, you know how addictive I am to this sort of project. I make them literally every month, I guess. So if you wish to join, what you need to do is simply make a video with the altered paperclip and #AZ Ephemera 26. So next week we do letter B, the following week letter C, and every letter is got a different type of ephemera. So watch the series, guys, interact with me, take part if you wish. The tag is open to everybody. Let me show you how to make those. Okay guys, so the starting point is these pages here. Now this is my starter pack. Is a bundle that I've had on my website, specifically designed for like beginners, for somebody that don't need loads of digital papers, that maybe is just starting with the digital paper journal, which I'm generally scrapbooking. And yeah, it doesn't get, there is not a lot of pages in this kit, but you got a collection of like labels, these like little ephemera pieces. There are some background, etc., but not too much to overwhelm that you don't know what to do with it. This is why it's called starter pack. And today I'm using these retro packaging labels. I have printed a couple of pages for you to showcase what you get. You get a couple of black and white. There is actually a full page of black and white label, which I strongly recommend, because you can print this black and white. Instead of printing on white cardstock or paper, you can print it on like music sheet note or black or colored paper, and you get the same labels but in different colors. I hope it makes sense. So today, yeah, I'm just gonna use a couple of these. I'm just gonna cut them and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my cardstock in here and I cut the 3 labels that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to show you one because the process is exactly the same. So this one here measures 3 1/4 by 1 3/4 ish. Yeah, a little bit less. So just going to cut. So I'm going to cut like that. I'm gonna cut 2 in fast. Start with 1. Yes, perfect. So we need a piece of cardstock that is exactly the same measure, slightly, I want to suggest slightly smaller, and then mark it less. Is instead of going to the very end, mark it literally in a whisper of air less and fold it in half. The reason is because when we do this, we're going to create a little depth, because we need 2 layers, we need 2 of those. So now I'm hoping, yeah, just okay. So I'll show you one. So if you're familiar with my channel, I make this on a weekly basis. Yeah, it's something that I really truly love making. It's because of, like, especially like I sell my journals, and these are super cute into your journals because they work as bookmarks or paper clips or like a little ephemera holder. So yeah, I literally make them very frequently. So what you do, so start with from the one on the big, you put your paper clip, don't matter what color because you won't be able to see it. Now for video purposes, yellow, because the cardstock is yellow, but you won't see it. And then the second piece, now I'm using I'm recycling some of the cardstock, and then we need some double-sided tape, or you can use glue, but I recommend use double-sided tape because it's just easy, absolutely easy, and it dries quicker, and it won't mess, you won't make any mess, and it won't move. Okay, so again, a strip that is the same size of the label, but cutting, of course, folding in half. Paper clip in the middle. Another piece of cardstock that is the same size. Mine is slightly shorter, but it won't make any difference. Put adhesive, in my case, double-sided tape. And what you do, you put this on top of the cardstock with the paper clip. Okay, perfect. So what we done is now, you see inside, that's the paper clip. So if you get a page, for example, if I get the rest of the cardstock, you put the paper clip, that's it, that stays, it won't move. See, I'm literally shaking the cardstock, it won't move because the paper clip, it will stay. So you get the front and the back. This is what I meant when I said earlier about printing. I have used my labels and print them on the cardstock, and this is what you get. That was the cardstock, and what you get is digital papers printed instead of being white on color cardstock. You get loads of different versions. You see, hack of the day. It's a little trick. That's why I love digital papers, because you can print papers on anything. Okay, and then last things that we're going to do, we're going to adhere that on top. See, and that is your paper clip. So if I get the page, got a tag in this case, see, so of course that's the front, the back is yellow, but you can do that. This is now for show you on the video, but if you want, you can cut another one of those and put on the back. So when you put it on your journal, on a page, on a book or anything, you see the front, but of course you see the back as well. They will be decorated. So I'm going to make the other two and I'll be right back. Okay guys, done. What I wanted to show you as well, that when you make these paper clips, they can have different orientations. So they can be portrait or they can be landscape. So the first that we make together, the paper clip is on the front here. So if you get a page, your paper clip works like that. So that's the bottom and that's the top where the mechanism is. So it goes like that. Same with this one here, which is slightly skinnier and taller. Okay, so you clip in there. I move, I shake, it won't move because the paper clip is in there. So it goes like that. But also you can make them portrait, landscape, sorry. So if this is your page, instead of going on the top, they can go on the side as well. So it goes like that. So the paper clip is here. Okay, so of course this works on the other side if it's a page of a book. Okay, so I will probably put it on that side. So the print, I only did it like that so you guys can see the different options. But yeah, you can clip it on the side, on the top, and of course depends, not on the bottom, but you could, I suppose. But yeah, so you can have it landscape or you can have it portrait. Okay guys, I'm going to go. So all the videos that I'm going to do with this challenge will have the same hashtag. So hashtag AZEphemera26. So what you need to do, you click on this hashtag and take all the videos. So any YouTuber or any crafters that got a channel, if you want to participate, the tag is open to everybody. Okay, so the hashtag is AZEphemera26. So this is for letter A, and I'm really looking forward to see what you make following this hashtag. I'm going to go, guys. I hope you like this video and you will be excited to watch all the series. So we're gonna make all the letter, all the alphabet, and every letter will be a different sort of ephemera. I've got all written down for you, but I'm not going to spoil, so you need to watch regularly. As I said, yeah, if you click on the hashtag, you will see the previous videos and everybody that joins as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.